Hey guys, Anton Bond here with Base Real Estate, and I'm standing in one of our latest listings. It's a beautiful opportunity for you, and this one is centrally located in Milpitas, California. But guess what guys, leave your nose plugs at home because this one is not in the smell zone. That's right, this is a single family house, 3 bedroom, 2 baths, and it's got a bonus room in the bonus room. You gotta see it yourself guys. Everything is new in here, new flooring, painting. The kitchen is totally brand new. The bathrooms, and one more other thing that we're not going to show in the video because you have to see it for yourself guys. Right from where I'm standing in the living room, I can see the East Bay Hills. What a beautiful sight. Imagine waking up to that every single morning. All right, enough of me. Let's take a look around.
Stepping into this beautiful, fully renovated home, you'll instantly get the impression of quality. You'll feel and sense the newness of the new home renovations. From the front living area, you and your visitors will be captivated by the East Bay Hills that are visible right from the front living room. Further in, you're at the fully renovated kitchen. The kitchen features brand new quartz countertop, shaker style cabinets, a luxury tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and sink. Most of everything here is new, including the new garbage disposable flooring and lighting. On the right side of the home are the bedrooms. Into the primary bedroom, you're not going to feel claustrophobic here. The primary room offers ample room, plenty of direct sunlight, and a brand new, fully renovated bathroom. Notice the large one-piece slab tiles for each of the shower walls. Wow. The matching hardware adds a perfect touch. The common bathroom offers the same high-quality features as the primary bathroom. Large one-piece slab tiles for each of the shower walls, large format luxury tile flooring that will impress all of your friends and family. The other rooms come with the same new luxury flooring, brand new dual pane windows, and the bedroom towards the front of the house offers a unique integrated workstation, perfect for those work at home days. On the other side of the home, there they are, your very own bonus rooms. Use it for a yoga room, a game room, an extra bedroom, whatever you'd like, it's all up to you. Further in, there's an additional bonus room. This room can easily be converted to a full bathroom, another study room, a prayer room. Again, whatever you like, it's all up to you. Within this additional room, there's also the laundry connections, which makes it very convenient for you. Into the backyard, it is a beautiful blank slate. No large trees, no shrubs to deal with. This very low maintenance backyard is also ADU and/or extension ready. So much land you may not know what to do with it, but it's all yours. In summary, this east-facing home features are, but not limited to, brand new flooring, new interior and exterior paint, new lighting fixtures, new double pane windows, fully renovated new kitchen, new bathrooms, a new roof, new electrical panel upgrade. The complete renovation to this home comes fully permitted. The home is also just a few minute drive to the Milpitas Town Center, the Sports Center, and the McCarthy Ranch Center.
All right guys, you've seen this property, but you've only seen it in video. I'm telling you, you're gonna wanna see it live in person. So schedule your tour today before it's sold.